Homemade Espresso Chip Gelato Recipe. Hey, everyone, welcome back to our kitchen. Today, we're making something truly indulgent and perfect for those warm days, Espresso Chip Gelato. It's creamy, it's rich, and it's got that perfect kick of espresso. Let's dive right in. Ingredients. 2 cups of whole milk. 1 cup of heavy cream. 3/4 cup of granulated sugar. 3 tablespoons of instant espresso powder. A pinch of salt. 4 large egg yolks. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. 3/4 cup of chocolate chips, semi-sweet or dark. Instructions. Alright, first things first, let's get our milk and cream into a saucepan over medium heat. We want to heat this up until it's just about to simmer, but not boiling. While that's heating up, in a separate bowl, we're going to whisk together our egg yolks, sugar, espresso powder, and salt until it's nice and smooth. Once our milk and cream mixture is hot, we're going to slowly pour it into our egg mixture, whisking constantly. This is called tempering the eggs, and it ensures they don't scramble when we add them back to the heat. Now, we're going to pour this mixture back into the saucepan and return it to the stove over medium-low heat. We're going to cook this, stirring constantly, until it thickens enough to coat the back of a spoon. This should take about 5-7 minutes. Once it's thickened, we're going to remove it from the heat and stir in our vanilla extract. Then, we'll transfer it to a bowl, cover it with plastic wrap directly on the surface to prevent a skin from forming, and chill it in the fridge for at least 4 hours, or overnight. Alright, our gelato base is chilled and ready to go. Now, we're going to churn it in our ice cream maker according to the manufacturer's instructions. As it's churning, we're going to add in our chocolate chips. You can use as much or as little as you like, but I like to be generous with them. And there you have it. Our espresso chip gelato is ready to enjoy. Creamy, dreamy, and packed with that perfect espresso flavor. I hope you give this recipe a try and enjoy it as much as I do. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time with another delicious recipe. Bye for now. Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee. The adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.